Hello guys, today I am with Samsung Galaxy S20 and other Android device. This is the S20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to send data from the Samsung Galaxy S20 to Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So for the first we have to open the application that we are going to use with transferring data. So I just download from the Google Play Store application named Clonit. So I'm going to open it on the S20 Plus and also on the S20. And right now we have to click sender here because we are sending data from the S20 to S20 Plus. So click sender here, click allow, and receiver on the S20 Plus. And now click search again. And we have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, our S20 Plus find the S20. So click on the Android share. Right now we can input the password or scan QR code. And the password, of course, you can find here. But I'm going to scan QR code because it is just faster. Okay. Now just wait a little bit. Accept the request on the S20. And right now we have to choose what we want sent from the S20 to S20 Plus. So let's go to the photos, for example. Okay, and I would like to pick maybe these 3 photos. So click start, click OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So click finish on both devices. And when we are going to the files on S20 Plus, there you can find the images that we sent from the S20. And as you can see, there are pictures that we took. So, thank you for the watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.